Hello my dear students, it's Computer Wunsum here. Today I'm going to show you how to use code to create paths of total destruction as you fly to them with Elytra. As you can see, I can fly anywhere I want, through forests, houses, mountains and even underground. And in this video I'll show you exactly how I do it. So, our plan is to ensure that nothing can stop us from flying. No ground, no iron, and not even the Ender Dragon itself. We are doing this by destroying everything around us. To make sure that we are doing exactly this, we need the code builder. There we'll create a new project called Destruction Flight. To open the code builder we press C, then we have this option here. I choose Microsoft MakeCode. And then, as you can see, I've already have some projects here, but we are creating another one. We are making a new project. We are calling it the Destruction Flight, and we are clicking Create. And as you can see, there are already some blocks in there, namely a start block, which activates upon starting the code, and an on-chat run block, which activates if we insert the text run into the chat command, or if we write run into chat, to be more precise. We don't need any of these, but since they are all there, that's no problem at all. For our purpose, we need onPlayer walk. This event states that it waits for a specific movement option, in this case walking. It's here. It is in player, by the way, player on player walk, and we change it to fall. I zoom a little bit in so you can see it a little bit better. Here, instead of walk, fall. On player fall. The reason for this is that Elytra assumes that you are falling if you are using it. So if you are activating Elytra, you are technically falling according to the code of Minecraft. Then we need the code to execute when we use the specific movement. In our case, we want to destroy everything around us, or technically we want to fill everything surrounding us with air. Therefore, we need blocks. In the blocks there is the fill command, and then we have to change it to the specific block that we are going to delete. In this case, we are using the air block instead of the grass block. In this code block there are also two variables called from and to, which state the positions relative to ourselves on how the blocks get filled. So it goes from the position to the position. These positions have three coordinates: east, west, up, down, and north, south. And we can put any number in there what we want. In our case, we are putting -5 to every coordinate here. -5, -5, -5, and then +5, or just 5, 5, and 5 to the other coordinate. Because this means we are checking the paths between -5 to +5 all around us. So, now we have the basis, and now let's try it out. Let us take a flight. I'm using these rockets to be a little bit faster. But as you can see, if I glide down slowly, I'm getting rid of the trees here, and not only this, I also can dig deep down into the underground. So, as we are getting nearer to the ground, you can see that the blocks disappear, and definitely we can tweak the coordinates. If you're going back into the code builder, we can change it to -10, -10, -10, 10, 10, 10. By the way, you are absolutely safe as long as you are not falling, because this is the option that has been taken usually. So let's try it again. We have now -10 to 10. However, we always have this little limit here that it only can fill up to 32,000 blocks, if I remember. And if you reach this limit, then it won't be working anymore. In this case, it's from -10 to 10, which is 21 blocks in every direction. And this is 9,200 blocks that will disappear as soon as we are flying to it. This is the gist on how the program works now, and I hope you try it out at home, because I can't wait to see you again in my next video, and I would love to hear about your reactions, your Computer Wunser.